Welcome back to my channel, Technology in the Future. The anticipation for the Garmin Fenix 8 Pro Solar is reaching a fever pitch, and here at Technology in the Future, we're diving deep into everything we know so far about this next generation smartwatch. We'll explore confirmed news, intriguing rumors, and what's on our wish list for this highly anticipated wearable. Release date speculation. A fall frenzy? While Garmin hasn't officially confirmed a release date, whispers suggest an announcement sometime in 2024. Many speculate it will follow the release schedule of previous models, potentially arriving in late summer or early fall. Keep your eyes peeled for official announcements from Garmin. We'll be sure to share them as soon as they drop. Price estimation. A worthy investment? There's no official word on the price tag, but based on the Fenix 7 Pro, estimates suggest the Fenix 8 Pro could be around the $699 mark. It's important to remember that this is speculation, and the actual price could vary. Exciting potential features. A feast for fitness fanatics. The Fenix 8 Pro promises to be a game changer for athletes and outdoor enthusiasts alike. Here are some of the exciting potential features that have us buzzing. Display upgrade. A visual feast, the Fenix 7 Pro introduced a touchscreen, but the Fenix 8 Pro might take it further with an AMOLED display. Imagine sharper visuals, higher contrast, and a more vibrant user experience, perfect for viewing maps, tracking stats, and navigating even in challenging lighting conditions. Health monitoring boost. Taking wellness to the next level, Garmin is a leader in health tracking, and the Fenix 8 Pro is expected to raise the bar even higher. Advanced health metrics like blood pressure, blood glucose monitoring, and hydration tracking straight from the wrist could be game changers for athletes and health-conscious users. Imagine ditching the extra finger pricking devices and getting a holistic view of your health right on your wrist. Battery life breakthrough. Conquering challenges without limits. Building on the Fenix line's staple solar charging, the Fenix 8 Pro might see advancements in this technology. Imagine conquering multi-day expeditions without worrying about finding a charger. Solar power could become even more efficient, allowing you to stay on the go for longer. Enhanced smartwatch functionalities. Smarter than ever features like voice control integration with smart assistants, improved third-party app support, and a more streamlined user interface could be on the horizon. This would make the Fenix 8 Pro not just a fitness tracker, but a true smartwatch companion for everyday use. Our wish list. Pushing the boundaries. While the leaked features are impressive, we here at Technology in the Future always like to dream big. Here are some additional features we'd love to see in the Fenix 8 Pro. Improved durability. Rugged yet refined. Maintaining the legendary ruggedness of the Fenix line while potentially making the watch slimmer would be a major win. A sleek design without compromising durability would make the Fenix 8 Pro an even more attractive option for everyday wear. Advanced training features. Your personalized coach on your wrist, personalized coaching plans, recovery time insights, and performance analysis at your fingertips would be a dream for athletes. Imagine having a tailored training program that adapts to your progress, helping you reach your peak performance. 3D detailed mapping. Navigate with confidence. Enhanced topographical maps and improved navigation features would be a boon for serious outdoor adventurers. Imagine having 3D visuals of your terrain, along with turn-by-turn navigation that guides you with ease, even in the most remote locations. The final frontier. A feature-packed future. The Garmin Fenix 8 Pro Solar is shaping up to be a revolutionary leap forward in outdoor wearables. With official announcements expected sometime this year, the wait won't be much longer. Here at Technology in the Future, we'll keep you updated on all the latest developments. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell to be the first to know. The Garmin Fenix 8 Pro holds exciting possibilities with its potential for a stunning display, advanced health tracking, a smarter user experience, and potentially even more advanced features. It could be the ultimate companion for athletes, outdoor enthusiasts, and anyone who wants a feature-packed smartwatch that can keep up with their active lifestyle. We're eagerly awaiting the official reveal, and in the meantime, feel free to share your thoughts and what you'd love to see in the Fenix 8 Pro in the comments below.